In this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the paired gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 16th towards 20th January 2023. Now gold on our weekly time frame, just like we anticipated on our previous weekly analysis, by seeing this bullish engulfing candle close towards this major key zone, we expected gold to continue pushing up throughout this whole week towards this next key level over here if it make a breakout of this key zone over here. And that's exactly what happened throughout this entire week. Gold continued to push up, continuing this bullish run over here to come all the way retest this next major key level with multiple major retest points. Now if gold on the upcoming week does continue to push up, continuing this bullish run, then on the bullish side we have this next key level, just like we had this key level on the previous week. Now we have this key level again with multiple major retest points, where we expect gold to continue pushing up if it closes above this key level on a shorter time frame and continues to push up, riding this clean candle over here. But if gold does find some sort of price ejection over here and find some sort of resistance over here, then gold might make some correction move. That correction move could either be on some small time frame support level that gold could be forming over here, or all the way towards this key zone over here, as if it does go for some deeper correction move. Now if you go to shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we'll be seeing some trend lines over here. As you can see, our higher time frame uptrend line with this third retest points being here, and also our shorter time frame uptrend line right around here. And you can see our higher time frame resistance at this key level and support at this key zone with multiple major retest points. So for gold to continue pushing up, we need gold on a higher time frame point of view to make a break and close above this key level. Similarly, on a higher time frame point of view, for gold to continue pushing down, shifting from this uptrend line towards the newly forming downtrend line, we need gold to make a break and close below this major support zone over here. However, even though we have our higher time frame biases above this key level or below this key zone, but if we see gold facing price ejection from here and making a breakout of this shorter time frame uptrend line or some sort of support that we could be seeing on a shorter time frame, then we would also be looking for trace on that reversal move in between this key level to this key zone, in hopes of gold making a retest on this higher time frame uptrend line once again towards this key zone in between these two key level as well. So for that, we'll be going to shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame. And on this 4-hour time frame, you can see both of our trend line over here and also our support and resistance zone like on a higher time frame point of view, which we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame. Now since we have a lot of strong bullish momentum move over here, so it's really hard to draw any key level or stuff like that without proper multiple retest points and call that a proper support level. So after the week opens, we'll give it some time to see some price ejection over here, see some accumulation phase being formed on a shorter time frame with a structure with support and resistance zone. So let's say on the upcoming week we see such movement over here and price does form some sort of support anywhere around here or anywhere around here, and after such support does get formed, which would also align with this shorter time frame uptrend line, if we see price making a break and close below that structure's support level with further bearish momentum, then that would also be a breakout of this shorter time frame uptrend line over here. And in that case, gold could continue to push down towards this higher time frame uptrend line to make a retest on probably to this key zone or any of the shorter time frame key level over here, which you could also see on the daily time frame right around here. And if gold makes a break and close even below that key zone, that could lead to a breakout of this higher time frame uptrend line, and in that case we could start to look for further short trades on gold in hopes of gold coming down to make a retest on this key level over here with multiple major retest points. However, that is very unlikely to happen seeing how much of bullish momentum that gold has. So this key zone being acting as a support zone on a higher time frame point of view for gold is very important for gold to continue to respect this uptrend line and for gold to continue pushing up in respect to this bullish run over here. So if that's the case and gold continues to respect this key zone as a support on a higher time frame point of view or find any shorter time frame support around here and makes a break and close above this key level with further bullish momentum, at least on a 4-hour time frame, then we can wait for some sort of structure to be formed over here on a shorter time frame like a 1 hour to 30 minutes time frame, and then we can look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum to avoid some fake out traps over here, in hopes of gold continuing this bullish run in respect to either this uptrend line or this uptrend line to come all the way retest this next key level with multiple major retest points that we also talked about on the weekly time frame right around here. So we should wait to see how gold reacts towards this key level after it makes a break and close above it, or we could wait to see how gold reacts after gold makes a break and close below some sort of support that it could be forming over here on the upcoming week, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side on the basis of the break and close that gold makes above or below the support or resistance zone. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these key zones and trend lines are exactly at the same price that I just talked about. So if this video helped you in any way, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the description. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.